Hello everyone, welcome back to Recent Jobs. Today's mostly asked project based interview question is: write a few lines of code of your project and explain it. Here, the interviewer asks like this: can you code a few lines of your project and explain the code? How to answer this type of question? Here are the tips you have to follow this question. Tip 1: choose a clear and understandable snippet. Select a code snippet that demonstrates your proficiency and easy to explain. Here, you choose a snippet. It should demonstrate your coding skills effectively. And avoid selecting code that is too complex or requires a lot of background knowledge to understand the code. And the next one, explain the context. Briefly introduce the purpose and context of the code snippet within your project. Here, you provide a brief overview of the project and explain where the code snippet fits in your project. And the next one, simplicity. Choose a code snippet that is not overly complex and can be easily understood by someone unfamiliar with the project. Here, you take simple and self-contained example that doesn't rely on extensive external dependence or complicated logic. And the final one is practice explanation. Practice explanation the code beforehand to ensure clarity and confidence during the interview. Here, rehearse your explanation to make sure you can articulate the purpose and the function of the code in your project. Clearly, here, this practice will help you deliver a concise and effective explanation. By using these tips, you have to answer this question. And the next question is: did you work in a team for your project? How did you collaborate with your team members? If you are done your project with your team, so how you could collaborate with your team members for doing your project? Here is the tips you have to follow this question to answer. Coming to the tips to follow. Tip 1. Role contribution. Highlight your specific role and contributions to the project. Clearly state what your responsibilities were and how you contributed to the project success. Focus on the task you handled and the skills you utilized and the outcomes you achieved. This demonstrates your ability to take ownership and make significant impact. And the next one is outcome. Briefly mention how effective teamwork contributed to project success. Discuss how working together as a team led to successful project completion. And also mention any milestones or problems solved or goals achieved through collaboration. This shows your appreciation for teamwork and your ability to work well with others. Here is the example to answer this question. Yes, I was part of a collaborative team for our online banking project. We divided tasks based on expertise. Regular meetings ensured alignment and I contributed by focusing on back-end development, ensuring data integrity and system reliability. Our teamwork and clear communication enabled us to meet project milestones effectively. Here, this demonstrates a clear understanding of the responsibilities and contributions to the project. And also the answer mentions regular meetings and clear communications as key elements of successful collaboration. And also, it highlights that the team was able to meet project milestones effectively. By following these tips and using this example, answer the question. As if guide freshers can effectively discuss their teamwork experience in interviews. Highlight their contributions and the positive outcomes of collaborative efforts. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and like, share, comment this video. Thank you.